we should stop trolling water around. Ooh.
Big D, it's your birthday, boy. You ready? You ready for your steak?
Hell, show your uncle that. He'll be like, what? Yeah, you lying. You lying. How you talk? You must have let
Go
him
Naya. Big D. Steak for your birthday.
Take care of all my business. He can tear that shit up. Look at him. Calm down, boy. Nah, I gotta always go get the food, okay? I got a code that I go with so I go get the food. You hear me? I give you the code, so sometimes you gotta go get the food, you go get the food. Naya, get that shit. You don't see, get that shit. Go get that shit, Naya. They eating steak.